All right, I'm recording now. All right, we gotta stick together. I'll be in the back.
No, you go on the front, be right.
Screw you. A Desert Eagle feels like it's about to fall in my pocket.
Probably is.
Hey, Brendan. Say hi to the camera. It's recording.
Hey, how's it going?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell.
Hey guys, Mr. Boss for the win here. I'm coming back to you with another clickbait GTA online video. This is how you make $1 million in 1 second. Totally not a glitch. And
5 days
totally
later.
in campaign mode.
Hey, cow.
That's a bull.
No, that's the bull.
Well, there's some bowls.
That's the only bull.
Bullshit.
It's a beer.
I'm gonna name this one Thomas.
That's a female.
I named that one first.
But it's got horns.
Burning it.
No, because it's towards the sheep.
Oh, it's gonna ram you.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it
that
is.
one might.
He
Or
said-
that one. Your face.
Oh, look at them udders. They're utterly beautiful.
Cow titties. What? That's what udders are. They're cow titties.
I mean, yeah, that's looking true.
And why do we drink milk? Why don't we drink cow milk?
Because it's not even completely milk. It's just added other things.
No, why do we drink cow milk? Why don't we drink human milk?
I like butter.
What?
Hey, she's fired.
Amateurs.
Everyone stay beyond until the whistle blows.
So we're playing.
Said cease fire.
We're playing in the city.
Yes, we're playing in the city.
Get up back.
Hey. Safety on. Cease fire.
Save your rounds, man. You're gonna need them.
And it's not really smart because people are going to think they're shooting up the place.
You played here though.
Yes,
This is a respawn. This is a respawn. You die, you hit, and you walk out.
Yep. You pick up your rifle and just say, there. You walk back all the way here and you run back in. Lift, die, repeat. Hey, safety's off! Safety's off! Safety's off!
Still don't understand why people rush.
Yeah, you don't need to run. Just save your energy. It's freaking Florida. I mean, they're already just gonna run up there and get shot in.
You ran up.
Yeah, look.
Toodaloo, everybody, have fun.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi. I'm always happy. Someone dropped a mag.
See that blue Connex right in front of us? The right corner of it?
K120 you picked up?
What?
Is that a K120 you picked up?
Yeah?
Thank you. I'm really gonna start closing this pouch.
Yeah, I think I have another one of your mags. Hey, did you lose one like 3-4 Blacktiger games ago?
My first time here.
Hit me right in the eye.
red container in front of you on the right side. Oh, that's cool. I smoked it. Far left. Far left on the other side of that light green container.
Hey! Brendan, tell your teammate, all the way right side. Blue crate, right.
You got him, Tristan.
I know I got it. Right.
Tristan!
Let's go. You good?
Tristan! Brendan, what's your brother's name?
Tristan, yeah.
Tristan, to your right. Way over right, blue crate.
Whoa! We're 10.
Remember, you can get your CCC.
Ryan. Hang it.
Oh, that is perfect.
On top of the container. No, we're allowed to be on the side.
Oh, that? Okay, never mind. I'm stupid. Go listen.
Yeah, also watch out when you peek. There's a guy at the blue container that's shooting this way.
Holy cow, she is right there.
We need you to move forward if we push down that container.
We're being 10. Want to move it to the other tree?
Holy shit, how many times do I have to hit you?
I've hit him 4 times. I've hit him 4 times and he just sits there.
Wait, he wants to rush him.
I just hit him 3 times.
This dude!
Yeah, I just hit that man 3 times.
Hey, use me as your body shield.
Me?
No, I'm your shield. Oh, never mind. He's moving up. Hey, shortstop.
Corner over there.
Hey, sir's at the red crate. Sir's at the red crate. Keep an eye on your left.
Get behind cover, go. There's more people
Hey guys, keep an eye on your left. There's a guy rushing left.
Come on, we need to go. Let's go. Watch one side.
What? Try to hit the guy behind this blue crate.
Wiped out the whole team. Keep going, you're good, you're good. Watch the left, line the blue marker.
On the right side.
Bro, I just wiped out like 9 people.
Where they at? You died?
Yeah, I'm moving back right now.
Come on, buddy.
My gun, look at my BB real quick. Did you see that?
Yeah.
It has 2 extras in it.
Yo, man.
Yeah, just aim on your head.
Really? Much love.
Like that.
Barely poke out. You come over me, right? All right.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Smiley.
See him back there?
Yeah.
You need to get serious. You can't.
They're straight through the tree.
This isn't a tickle fight anymore.
What?
This isn't a tickle fight anymore. This is war.
One moves way behind cover. I'll be right over your shoulder. You can't really see him anymore.
Guys, I saw him moving behind that turquoise crate.
Yep. Blue crate. He just peeked.
One by the car?
Yeah, over by the car. Guy in black. Not the guy that just got hit.
watch out.
Not the guy that just got hit. Oh, now he got hit.
There's not any hid behind the blue crate, right where the black car was. Right where that young lady was.
And he's been hit too.
Guy's on the blue crate.
Okay, far right, all the way back there in the tree.
To the right of it.
Yeah, there's one guy that hasn't been calling his hit, but there's a lot of guys advancing way left.
Any eyes on any?
No. If you look through the crack, I can see one guy trying to peek around the left side of that blue Conex box to the light one.
Is he wearing American flag shorts?
I don't think so, but I know. I think I saw.
Because I saw some guy wearing American flag shorts.
I see the guy at the American flag shorts now.
Yeah, he thinks it's like a 6-8. Well,
There's a guy in the corner of that blue Conex box.
hit.
Guys hid behind the blue crate. See anything? Smiley, do you see anything?
No, I thought I saw someone peeking. You want a scope for that thing or something?
No, I do not, because it's the iron sights. I'm going simo.
I just took out like 12.
You need to push back up. I'll run up there with you.
See anything? Huh? See anything?
There's that guy that was peeking.
There's a guy in the corner of the Conex box.
Red crate far away. Red crate far away.
See his gun?
I see him. I saw him. He's right by the black.
Yeah, I know. Right by black. He was standing out in the open trying to shoot me.
No, we got enemies! More enemies! More enemies! More enemies!
They're taking left side.
Guys, try to flank us.
you
Do right
keep him
there, the
covered.
skeleton mask. Check your.
All right.
Check the other side.
That's a grip, son.
Oh, more people coming. Red crate, red crate, red crate.
Sorry, dude.
I see him.
Yeah, that's our team.
Watch yourself. Poke him through.
Okay, I hit him. Blue crate, blue crate, blue crate.
Come on. Slam in.
There, thanks. Okay, blue crate guy. Oh god. Oh, blue crate hit. I got shot in the leg. They flesh wounded me. They flesh wounded me. They stuck me in the leg.
Right. There's one pushing right there. Coming on the left.
There's a bunch of guys rushing right. There's a bunch of guys rushing right. I got shot in the leg. I got me a flesh wound. Medic.